Hello friends, today in this video we will see some information about the interesting brown algae Sargassum. Sargassum is considered as a brown algae because it shows brown color to its body. Sargassum is a marine algae generally known as seaweed, and see in the image it shows brown color to its body. Sargassum is an algae which is present in the sea water, and it is considered as a sea weed. Though it is weed, it is very important economically, and this seaweed belongs to the division Phaeophyta, and the class is Phaeophyceae. This Sargassum floats on the water surface of the sea. Some of the seas sometimes shows abundant growth of the Sargassum on the water surface of the sea, and that sea is known as Sargasso Sea, as it shows such huge growth or abundant amount of Sargassum floats on the water surface. Look, these Sargassum patches are present on the sea shore, which are coming to this seashore along with high tide. It is considered as Sargasso Sea. See, this Sargassum is known as brown algae as it shows brown color to the thallus. We know that green plants are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll pigments in the leaves of that plant. But here, along with chlorophylls, some specialized pigments are present known as fucoxanthin pigments, which gives brown color to the Sargassum thallus. Sargassum plant body is known as thallus, as it is of lower plant. This Sargassum thallus is looking like a higher plant. It shows tree trunk like, leaf like, or branches like structures as like the higher plants, but these are not true branches or true leaves. The Sargassum thallus shows centrally located higher plant like tree trunk known as main axis. This main axis shows secondary branches which are looking like the leaves. They are considered as the leaves, but they are not true leaves. These leaves shows number of spots on the leaves or dot like structures known as cryptostomata. Cryptostomata is nothing but a cavity in which paraphysis and periphysis are present, and opening of the cavity is known as cryptostomata. In the axil of main axis and leaf, some specialized branches are developed known as receptacles. Receptacles are nothing but the reproductive branches on which male and female conceptacles are present. This Sargassum thallus again shows a specialized structure known as air bladder. This air bladder are with full of gases, and due to that these Sargassum plants can float on the sea surface or water surface. At the basal region of the sargassum thallus, there is a hold fast which is for the anchoring purpose. It anchors the sargassum thallus or attaches the sargassum thallus to the substratum. The sargassum thallus, though it is looking like the higher plant, it shows variation in species according to the position of air bladder. So this is the variation in species of the thallus. See, in some species air bladder are just below the leaves. In some species it is on the leaves or on the receptacles, or in some species it locates in the axil of receptacles and leaves. Air bladders are important for the fluency of this sargassum, or it can float on the water surface with the help of these air bladders. So this is some basic information about the sargassum. In the next video we'll see some anatomical features of the main axis and leaf of the sargassum. Thank you.